So nje mfethu uhambo lwami necrime ngifundile into eziningi izinto engifundile kwicrime because kunegameko othola ukuthi niyoshaya into njengemali yabo so manje uvula isafety back to emaplazini it might happen namajita u5 ukuthi mina nginobrother about 2 abacuthe somewhere so ama risk mathathu ngoshaya imali uriska ukuyidla kuyirobha la uyothatha khona upendu urisk nisazodublana nodwa nina because yilo nalo ufuna lesamba sisala ngakuyena eholo yini niphinde nizodublana mase khatshwa kuthafu yabo akuthenjwana ufuna kukhatshwe kuhlukanwe asihambi ndawonye mase sikhathini yabo engahambi ndawonye futhi usenokufika ufuna uzongikhomba le mali yabo kuthafu kasigebenga kudlalwa nezingane yabo mosha ihayiste imali just know ukuthi labantu engihamba nabo banabantu babo abalinde somewhere bazoshaya ihayiste kuningi
ukuthi kuhluwana nje kade kushaya imoto yemali nithi niyahamba nezambazeni bakhane phezulu
yes siyavele sigamekweni usebathunile lo futhi ebafethu sophuma ngomgaqothisi nifike nipakethe athini lapha yabo that is why ngingavumelekile ukuphatha amaselula masela lapha sisebenzisa iselula lapha yes kwamanje uzofanele abantu yabo so mathatha ama risk ama gunshots aqhuma 3 events ngesikhathi sidla ngesikhathi kufanele sicaze ngesikhathi sidla kube ngalesikhathi njoba sidlile kune getaway car eyodwa esihamba ngayo le getaway car sisazoqhumisa isibhamu bevala yona laba abathuniwe masiwina laba abathuniwe siyobeka isikhwama phezulu ngebonnet ethathini ebusuku asithembele kwayithina la isanokuqhuma nala yabo isanokuqhuma usubhekele nebag yakho yabo enze njalo usangahleka ubhekele nebag yakho sesiqedile ukukhatha usuhamba issue so nje imarket asibhekana kakhulu ndaba ngangemningi lezo zinto kanjalo because ngangayifuna into engena trust yabo I wanted amasosha engazithi azongicover amen angihambi nomuntu osabheka ukudla kumina yabo leyo into so bekuyizinto eziba kanjalo wena mfethu thola ukuthi senza izinto as a crew but uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi kunesnitch ngaphakathi into eyenzeka isnitch sasinqunywa-ke yabo ngizama ukuveza ukuthi lo 18 counts of murder ukhava ama-murder ezimo ezikanjani nezimo ezikanjani nezimo ezikanjani yabo you find ukuthi sometimes i-murder sigebengu to sigebengu yabo umthetho kawusho ukuthi ngoba kubulaleni igebengu hayi vele uyaboshwa nje iyabalwa leyo murder yabo ukuthi kwakuyitswela boy yabo
angaze ngigqekeze njengomuntu
I was so against the rape khona umjida wami othi umthandeni waye28 wayengaqonywe ngenazi intombi
because you know why so
sure.
You know what I'm asking then ukuthi igebengu zamanje seziyarepa angazi ukuthi motivate wayini but kubeka
yeah ngizokunikeza
ukuthi unginikeza because kade ngamfuna umuntu onikeza
yes
okay fine okay
umthandeni uyi-answer ke ngeshandise sikhuluma njengamanje umthandeni wengenantombi mengenantombi emubi uma emubi wayithanda sex nje umthandeni nje sex wayithanda because hayi ukuthi siyogqekeza uzorape umthandeni we-rape nje and by that time i-rape bengathathwa serious yazi I don't know why most of izinto bezingathathwa serious GBV bengathathwa serious so besine ukuthi mase sidlile sefanele sihambe yabo sesiphethe impahla sefanele sihambe manje umthandeni usele mfethu imayiqala ukuzipha buyela lapha ibedroom labantu sibabophile yabo umthandeni ongangirape isalukwazi arape umama arape idaughter yabo sasihlezi bangaleyo nto nasikhathi siyahamba mfethu yabo Ngibhizi ntshotshana wena la. Yabo leyo into. Nansi into edala ukuthi abafethu bafike ba rape egamekweni. It's either akanayo intombi total or uyisigebengu esingayinakile indaba ye-sex but ngenxa yokuthi unepower umuntu esifazane othukile ngiqale kanjalo umuntu esifazane othukile esigebengwini uyamnika imotive yabo unlike owesifazane ofem olwayo othukile obhekayo angazi kanjani but amajita mangiwabuza athi livele lime yabo athi hayi livele lime bra wami ngibotha helpless lo yabo ngiyamdabula abanye bathi they do it ukugcwalisela yabo bayamgcwalisela abanye program ukuthi sise machine usuke emrepela ukumthelela ngegciwane nje just for fun because uyazazi unegciwane yabo leyo so nje ilezo izathu edala ukuthi isigebengu sibe sifuna ukukhumula uzipho yabo for ama drugs esuke edliwe ngaleso sikhathi abo asana ukuhlebela nokuthi engeke ithi angene nje enye futhi le ukuthi kutsakelwa nokuthi wakwamshaya umlungu yabo le wakwashaya indiya yahlala wena wakwashaya ikhalati wena mina ngiyaqhuma amakhalati ngogwayi yabo nje ile into kuqhudelana ngombhedo yabo not knowing ukuthi usu-add ama-counts mhla ubanjwa ziyokhala because i-DNA inanza lapha yabo ikhona enye into futhi ebesibhayisa ngayo ile nto yokuthi into yama-gloves besingakayazi yabo lawa yes besingakawazi ama-gloves so ubuthola ukuthi sishayile another thing i-pattern manje sekufuna amaphoyisa ngoba sishaya mhlambe imizi mhlambe ewu-8 la kuleli lokishi so babuka ukuthi bangene kanjani nalapha bangene kanjalo nalapha bangene kanjalo nalapha bangene kanjalo so amacala akho ahlangana kanjalo ukuthi ahlangana kuwena wedwa thatha ama-prints la ama-prints lapha akhona nalapha akhona nalapha yeah so lezo zinto lezo sasibakhele sithina kuzona yeah we just didn't care.
Any hijacking stories?
Akaningi ngicathi le moto yakanike because by that time bekukhona igang yama-out ebi-specialize ngey'moto nje so uyazi-ke uma ngabe niselokishini asifuni ukuthi i-territory yomunye yabo singene kakhulu kuyona khona ama-truck dealers bayi-crew yabo yabo thina nje wis-house breaker okay singene kancane kwi-truck dealing yabo senza nje le crime le ene-passion besithanda action thina kakhulu action into ebesiyithanda nje kakhulu.
Masikhuluma crime of passion or passion crime what sikhuluma ngani?
Sikhuluma futhi lapho sikhuluma ngobugebengu obune-motivation into enginogqozi ngiyenza ngogqozi you understand I can call lokho esasikwenza crime of passion yabo yeah because inhliziyo yenziwa yayimbi ngokuthi abelungu badla umhlaba wethu asena lutho baphinde bazokwakha la banotho lokho ngekho la sokulanda kubona i-passion we were passionate to repossess what is ours yabo imotive ehamba kanjani into zethu vele yabo umhlaba wethu vele yabo naphucuka komkhulu umhlaba nina ngesibuko yabo zonke lezo zinto we are reclaiming back what is ours of which we were wrong because funa usebenze kanzima in order for you to have your own things. Yeah, and I will advise Mzansi ukuthi singabancuma abafana abancane abathanda inombolo lokishini abadebhisa amabhuluku bahambe batsheke ngaba motivate labo bafana ningaba entertain that's the word ebengiyifuna because you find sesinenqwaba yosikhotheni because baya entertainwa and bazali nani into eniyenzayo ukuthi umfana mangabe sizomlanda egqekezile sifuna ukumshaya simbophe ufika umphikele yabo sinabazali thina othola ukuthi intwana yakhe igqekezile siyazi ukuthi igqekezile yabo ubufakazi bekhomba naye ayiphiki but mase sizolanda endladleni kuphiki i-oledlayo yabo noma itime layo kunethime mina engilaziyo elithanda ukukhokha imali intwana yahlupha lapha erawundini yabo. So yasiqhaqezela enze zonke izinto mina sengishaya 3 times mina ngisemsebenzini ngisebenza ebusuku 3 times, but uma uthi uyoyi approach ichama vele khipha imali ngicela ukukhokhela zonke izinto zakho ngithi mina ngeke phela angeke afunde isifundo lo mfana ifwenza kanje uyambulala uyamqeda umfana wakho lo yabo. So election into ezozithi kanjalo eyibhebhethekisa ubugebengu we are trying transformation life. We want every skebengu, every thought, every scotain transform mfethu, you know. Siyakutshela thina njengoba ngikutshela mina i-teenage life yami angiyazi. I never had a teenage life mina because at the age of 14 wasefanele ngibe adult ebhekisa umbhobho wesibhamu kubantu abadala edonsa umkhonto for abantu abadala. From the time i-teenage life yami I can say angiyazi yabo. Impilo yami eningi yobusha bami ngithe behind bars. That is why namhlanje kunezinto engihlupha ngazo ekufanele ngihluphe ngazo ngalesa sikhathi yabo. But manje ima ngiqala ukenjoya kakhulu impilo yokuba i-teenager. Sengimdala, I'm 42 years today, but kunezinto engizenzayo even ukugqoka kwami angigqoki sobhuta na 42 yabo. I-style engisithandayo yabo, i-style so 17 18 years yabo, okungenza baze baphika abantu manje ngina 42 years yabo. Leyo into office ngarobheka some years of my teenage life. So asigwemeni ke leyo nto, umuntu akabe ne direction. Mina I always say i-youth in a direction, i-youth efaka ama-roots ku-God. Ayikho i-direction mina ngakunika yona umuntu omusha ngithi mhlambe hamba udla umuthi yabo, but uGod only person ake ngiqala ama-elements ambalwa akwazi ukugweba umuntu angayetshela. Education akudlala makuthiwa ikhiba fethu Shandisi yabo, because you find abafana bebamba inkunzi kubafana babuye evarsity amphuca laptop mhlambe not because efuna laptop but ushiswa ilento ukuthi they are same age. Usazoba udoctor lo yena uphansi kwebridge uphethe umbese yabo yabo. Education bafethu God ngiqale kahle God education and make sure mfethu ukuthi uyayithola i-career yakho, ukuthi uyayithola education iyodwa but i-career, who are you yabo. Discover, find yourself, because sinekebe ngengaka thina sasilandela amanteka amabraza sarobheka ubusha bethu ngoba ngangazazi yabo. Kanti if you know yourself ushaw SWOT analysis, athina ama-strengths akho, athina ama-weaknesses akho, ama-opportunities onawo imaphi, amathuba onawo empilweni, bese kuba uthi egcineni ama-threats asempilweni yakho imaphi. Uzobona lapho ukuthi iyangishape lento, ngi-strong la, ngi-weak la, i-opportunity yami nansi lapha, ngi-threat ukuthi yabo, because awukwazi ukusolve into ongayazi. You have to know a problem before you solve it, you know. I-youth esinayo njengamanje iphilele manje, they don't care. Umuntu ufuna 15,000 in a space of 3 days ayisekho, you understand, because siphilele manje. And another thing, siyathanda ukuphila njengabantu abathize, mhlambe sibabona ku TV, mhlambe sibabona thina yizo uTupac Shakur zasimosha lezo zinto yabo, zasimosha kakhulu lezo zinto. Sifaniswa namanika athize ukuthi hey uDMX wena yabo, nawe uzizwe kule Shandisi yabo, buka ama-movie lo muntu ufuna ukwenza lezi zinto kwi-community. Life is not a movie majidi. Izo simoshe kakhulu ezikoleni sibuka yona, kanti izo wasn't short to destroy, it was short to build yabo. Kuwukuthi ke i-approach yabo kwi-community ngaleso sikhathi yayingayinayo isense yokufundisa. Sasinokuthi thina hayi iyona life leya, not knowing ukuthi loya muntu loyana akamdubulanga loya muntu, they were acting, you know.